Hello everyone, this is my first unboxing video. Now I have, and let's see how it goes. I have ordered some doggy treats, peanut butter doggy treats for my two dogs here at home from one of my students, a young entrepreneur, Megan Lewis, who is situated in Gordons Bay in the Western Cape. So I'm going to open up this now and see what is inside. I'm very excited, and I have two dogs who already smelt that something is coming their way. It is packed in a very sturdy box. My address and everything was noted. I even got a little doggy picture and some drawings on the box. So let's see if I can open it. I've got my scissors here and I am very excited to see what is inside. So here we go. Let me see if I can get this box open. It's very well packaged, so most definitely no damage in transit, and we know sometimes the courier companies don't treat these boxes with a lot of respect, so I'm so glad that it's packaged so well. There's some thingies at the top to make sure that none of the, let me just show you, it was packaged like that so that none of the content can move around. Let me open this up. There's another layer. Oh, I can see them coming. Let's take this out, and this is too cute. Peanut butter doggo treats, and at the so it's little heart-shaped doggy treats. Oh, the dogs are already standing closer. I'll need to show it to them. And then at the back it gives the contact details. It tells us the ingredients: peanut butter, flour, oats, banana, carrot, egg. Oh, that's it sounds delicious. Megan, there's even an expiry date listed on the little header card, and then Megan's contact details as well. Doggo Treat. Megan, my dogs I think are going to love me for that. Let's see what they say about these treats. The proof of the pudding is definitely going to be in the eating. So here my two dogs, yeah, they're on my bed. They're already smelling these delicious doggo treats from. Oh, Booby just loves her doggo treats. Very nice. 10 out of 10. So, if you also want to treat your favorite doggy to some doggo peanut butter treats, contact Megan today on 064 971 9176. Your dog will love you for it.